Hi everybody, it's Robin Phillips with the Robin Group and eXp Realty here in Charleston, South Carolina. It's a crazy real estate market right now, so I wanted to take a couple of minutes to unpack it. What's happening in 2021 and what to expect in the future. Stick around. All right, so let's talk about where we are right now. So this time last year, we had approximately 4,000 homes on the market. Right now, we have between 1,300 and 1,400 homes on the market. And again, that's all three counties. That is every single part of Charleston. We're talking all the way Edisto, all the way up to McClellanville, including Dewey's, Panopolis, just everywhere, which is an incredibly low inventory rate. And we know that that is helping to push prices up. And to define really how fast this market is moving, right now we have 0.8 months of inventory on average everywhere in Charleston. So that means we're under 30 days. Now, many of you say, well, what home is going to take 30 days to sell, or even 20 days to sell? Why would that even happen? Homes are selling in 30 seconds. But you have to remember, this is at every single price point, right? So we're talking multi-million dollar, all the way down to $25,000. It includes mobile homes, it includes condos, townhouses, single family homes. 13 or 1,400 homes includes every single type of home. So to say that we're at 0.8 months of inventory is almost unheard of. And if I look at my chart here, most of the places in Charleston truly are like 15 days on market. And we know that we're getting offers, 10 offers in an hour on a house. So yeah, prices are going up, right? We've seen incredible price increases. And if we have to really put a number on it, let's go through where we are right now. So the median sales price in Charleston is up to $335,000. That's an incredibly high number. And we are up, year to date, 2021, we're up 14.5% over the same time period in 2020. So these numbers are huge, and we're seeing double-digit numbers across the entire United States. Charleston is not insular on any of this. So what is the rest of 2021 gonna look like for this demand? Well, bottom line is we're not expecting much to change, and that's for two reasons. Number one, we know interest rates are going to stay relatively low. The Fed has given no indication that they're going to raise interest rates at all. We do know that they're creeping up just a little bit simply because of demand, but we do not expect them really to go much over about 3.4 or 3.5% by the end of the year, which is great news. Number two is we have new housing starts. They're working as hard as they can, guys, and they're up this year over last year. However, you can only get so many permits. You can only start building so many houses at a time. If anyone has seen lumber rates lately, we have seen that the lumber rates have gone up substantially, and that is simply due to demand. We still have logistics issues due to COVID, so home building starts, it's been challenging. And if anyone, agent-wise, has been trying to purchase new home construction, you guys know it's tough there too, right? There's just no inventory of new homes simply because they can only put them up so quickly. And the third factor, and this is much harder to measure, so this is really a gut feeling from me, is that people are still, don't want to put their homes on the market. And it's for two reasons. And the first reason is maybe they still don't want people traipsing through their home with COVID, right? So still people are a little nervous. And I think once we're all fully vaccinated, that people are gonna start changing their opinion. The second thing is that people don't want to list their home because they don't know where to go. If there's no inventory on the market and I list my home, where am I gonna move to? How am I gonna be guaranteed that I can even find a home to move into? And we're seeing rental rates are going up and up and up. Why? Because people can't find homes to live in. So now they're renting homes. So it's becoming challenging. If you sell your home, you're gonna have to pay a lot in rent until you can find your next home to buy. So I think all of these factors are why we're going to continue to have low inventory through 2021. We're going to continue to see prices go up. And let me give you a few stats from the experts. So the National Association of Realtors says we're going to end the year about 6.6% up from where we are now, and Zillow predicts another 10.5% up from where we are now. So it looks like 2021 is going to continue to be a low demand, high price market that is definitely going to be a seller's market. So what's going to happen when the forbearance ends? What's going to happen when all of these people who are being kept from being foreclosed on now have a situation where they either have to pay off the forbearance or their home goes into foreclosure? Here's what we know. The forbearance is slated to end around June of 2021. And unlike 2008, most of the people that have their loan in forbearance right now have a lot of equity in their home, at least 10% equity in their home. Why? Look at the market we're in, right? Home prices are going up every day practically. So these people potentially could refinance their home, take out that equity, and completely avoid foreclosure altogether. The second thing is that even those people who will go into foreclosure, it's going to take time, right? Those foreclosures don't happen overnight. There will be a backlog of them, and they will hit the market. However, some of them will be absorbed, correct? So we have the lowest inventory since 2005. And we know that some of those foreclosures hitting the market will absorb that inventory. Now, what's going to happen if the market is flooded with these properties that could potentially be going into foreclosure? Well, we don't know. We really don't know. Yet the experts are saying that 2021 and 2022 should not see a flood of those homes coming in. So what's going to happen in the next 2 years is really going to depend on a lot of factors, none of which I have found any economist willing to predict. What we do know right now is it is a wonderful time to sell because you can get top dollar for your home. It is also a very good time to buy because interest rates are low, and we know that with inflation coming, that those interest rates will potentially rise. When? We don't know, but yes, they will potentially rise. So if you are looking to buy or sell your home, please come and talk to me. There are some companies out there that will allow you to get a bridge loan so that you can sell your home and buy another one. There are other ways that we can do the two of them together. So if you really, really want to move, please reach out. My information will be at the end of the video, but there are a lot of ways to make this happen. And I think that we as agents are working together, particularly in Charleston, to really loosen some of that inventory. And we've got a lot of tricks for the trade to make that happen. So give me a call anytime. You know my number, 843-214-8451. In the meantime, if you have any specific questions about your individual market, every market is different. And just so you know, the South in general is seeing a huge influx of people. I know you all can see it and feel it from both the West and the Northeast. So I think we're gonna have a little bit different market here than other parts of the United States. So keep your chin up, give us a call if you need help. For now, bye-bye guys.